In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach Google Drive files in Google Classroom. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to share a file from your drive with your students as a material in Classroom. Start by opening Google Classroom and heading to the home page where all your classes are listed. From there, choose the class you want to work with. This opens your class stream, but for adding resources, you'll want to move to the Classwork tab at the top. Classwork is where organizing learning materials is easiest for students to find later. On the Classwork page, look for the Create button. Click it, then pick Material from the list. Material is perfect for things students need to view or reference, like videos, slides, notes, or readings, without turning anything in. Once the material editor opens, add a clear, concise title. A good title helps students instantly recognize what the resource is about. You can also add a short description beneath it to explain what the file is, why it matters, and how students should use it. For example, you might note that the video should be watched before the next class, or that it supports a specific lesson. Now it's time to attach your file from Drive. Click the Drive icon. This opens your Google Drive file picker. Navigate to the location of your file, My Drive, Shared Drives, or Recent, and select the video you'd like to share. If you have many files, use the search bar to find it quickly by name. Classroom supports a range of drive file types, and videos work especially well because students can stream them without downloading. With your file highlighted, click Add. You'll see the file appear under your material, confirming it's attached. If you need to attach multiple related files, you can repeat that process before posting. By default, students will be able to view the attached file, which is ideal for materials. If your Drive file has unusual sharing restrictions, Classroom will prompt you to adjust access so students can open it. When everything looks good, title, description, and the Drive file, click Post. That publishes the material to your Classwork page immediately so students can access it right away. If you prefer to prepare now and share later, remember you can use the drop-down next to Post to save a draft or schedule it for a specific time. And that's it. You've attached a Google Drive file to your class as a material in Google Classroom, making it easy for students to find, open, and learn from your resource.